I have with me Dr. S. Balachandran, who is the Indian Met Department Southern Region Head. Thank you for joining us, sir. Sir, there is a prediction that 17, 18, 19 and 20, there's going to be rainfall across Tamil Nadu and the neighboring areas. How is it going to be for Chennai city and the neighboring districts, sir?
No. Actually, if you see that there is a low pressure area over southeast adjoining Southwest Bay, which is moving towards our region, and by tomorrow it will be over southwest and adjoining West Central Bay, north near to the South Andhra and North Tamil Nadu coast. At the same time, already we have an East Central Arabian Sea, one low pressure is there. So there is one low pressure on the west side and there is a low pressure area approaching on the eastern side. So we have two systems, one on the left and right side. So the land is in between Southern Peninsula. So under this influence, rain will be there, more rain. If you see that last 24 hours, many places received rainfall. Many received rainfall. Around four stations received heavy to very heavy. Highest about Tirupati place in the Tirupur district received 13 centimeter.
And so, how is the rainfall going to be tomorrow, sir? Because we're being told that overnight it's going to be heavy spells, till late evening it's going to be heavy spells. So, what is the rain likely to be like?
So, as far as the rain forecast is concerned, now from that means next to 24 hours means up to tomorrow morning, we can expect these coastal districts like Tiruvallur, Chennai, Kanjipuram, Chengalpattu, Viluppuram, Puducherry, Kadalur, heavy to very heavy. And Thiruvannamalai, Kallakurichi, Salem, Perambalur, Trichy, Irapuli, Karur, Tanjavur, Dindigul, Pudukkottai, Theni, Madurai, Sivagangai, these districts will be heavy to very heavy. And these places, Thoothukudi and Ramanathapuram, also we can expect heavy to very heavy. Other places, normal, that is light to moderate rain. Okay. This is up to 8. Tomorrow, if you say that on daytime and if you see that, Tiruvallur, Kanjipuram, Chennai, Ranipet. These four districts, one or two places, extremely heavy rainfall is likely to possible because as low pressure is approaching, one on the west side and another on the eastern side. So there may be chances that some one or two packets we can expect very extremely heavy rainfall. Generally, this packet we can expect heavy to very heavy rainfall. These districts, these places you can expect moderate rainfall.
So it's not right to compare 1 to 1, I know, but November 7th we had seen unprecedented rainfall, 20 plus centimeters. So the next 24 to 48 hours, is that going to be that heavy or?
See, these are range. Actually, you can't say 20 centimeter will come 21 centimeter. This is range. So probability also. This is a probability forecast. There are chances. The current meteorological condition indicates that you likely chances of the rainfall, extremely heavy rainfall, one or two places. Generally, cloudiness, everything will be, this area will be under the influence of the rainfall belt.
So what will be the warnings that will you be giving to the general public? What are the things that we should keep in measure for the next 24 to 48 hours?
As first main thing is for the fishermen. Main thing is fishermen is West Central Bay and Southwest Bay, along and off your North Tamil Nadu and South Andhra coast. Squally winds of the order of 40 to 50 kmph, up to 60 kmph gusting is likely to prevail up to 19th. So fishermen are advised not to venture into West Central and Southwest Bay and South Andhra and North Tamil Nadu coast. This for this one. General public normally rainy season, how they have to be careful, that way they have to be careful. They should not roam around the water bodies. They should not while handling the electrical appliances, they should be careful. They should keep ready of important medical items like the drinking water. They should do water here and that, boil the water and then drink. That light of precaution they have to take care.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for joining us and giving us an update about the weather like. We're being told that for the next 24 to 48 hours, there will be heavy showers likely in several parts of Tamil Nadu and coastal Andhra Pradesh. And so we have been told to take the necessary precautionary measures and wait for the depression to move. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshana for India Today.